Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss what are the rights of an arrested person, part 2nd. In part 1, I have discussed the constitutional rights of an arrested person, and in this video, that is part 2nd, I will discuss the rights ascertained by the Criminal Procedure Code 1973. Let's start with the first right, that is Criminal Procedure Code 1973, Section 50. Person arrested to be informed of grounds of arrest and of right to bail. It means, following the principle of natural justice, every police officer or other person arresting any person without warrant shall forthwith communicate to him full particulars of the offense for which he is arrested or other grounds for such arrest. Secondly, where a police officer arrests without warrant any person other than a person accused of a non-bailable offense, he shall inform the person arrested that he is entitled to be released on bail and that he may arrange for sureties on his behalf. Next, Section 56. Person arrested to be taken before magistrate or officer in charge of police station. A police officer making an arrest without warrant shall, without unnecessary delay and subject to the provisions herein contained as to bail, take or send the person arrested before a magistrate having jurisdiction in the case, or before the officer in charge of a police station. Next, Section 57. Read with Article 22 of the Constitution of India, a person arrested not to be detained more than 24 hours. No police officer shall detain in custody a person arrested without warrant for a longer period than under all the circumstances of the case is reasonable, and such period shall not, in the absence of a special order of a magistrate under Section 167, exceed 24 hours, exclusive of the time necessary for the journey from the place of arrest to the magistrate's court. Next, Section 75. Notification of substance of warrant means the police officer or other person executing a warrant of arrest shall notify the substance thereof to the person to be arrested, and, if so required, shall show him the warrant. Next, Section 76. Person arrested to be brought before court without delay. The police officer or other person executing a warrant of arrest shall, subject to the provisions of Section 71 as to security, without unnecessary delay, bring the person arrested before the court, before which he is required by law to produce such person. That is, provided that such delay shall not, in any case, exceed 24 hours exclusive of the time necessary for the journey from the place of arrest to the magistrate's court. Next, Section 303. Right of person against whom proceedings are instituted to be defended. Any person accused of an offense before a criminal court or against whom proceedings are instituted under this code may right be defended by a pleader of his choice. Next, and last but not the least, that is Section 304. Legal aid to accused at a state's expense in certain cases, where in a trial before the Court of Session the accused is not represented by a pleader, and where it appears to the court that the accused has not sufficient means To engage a pleader, the court shall assign a pleader for his defense at the expense of the state.